So, okay. So, in order to be productive, you need to do something that you like. It is either like reading a book, playing songs, doing homework, writing a book, I don't know. Now for me, it is playing music. Yeah. So in my school, I just received a music lesson about making music. It's really cool how the teacher explained this so I understand how to make music, and I'm gonna try to make music by myself using this book that I got from school. To make music, you need melody, harmony, and rhythmic stuff. So melody is basically like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, and then harmony is basically like the chords, and rhythmic is the doom, chitang, doom, you know? To make the music, we need a theme. So the theme for this music is gonna be simple, chill, and stuff, I don't know. Okay, so first we need the chords. To make chords, you need a piano. So the piano we're using is not that piano. That's too expensive. So we're gonna use much more easier to play piano. Now this piano, it's on the fridge. You see, some. It's right there. Okay, we got the piano. Yeah. Okay, there we go. For the music, it depends. You're making. We're using chill stuff, so it needs to be jazzy. Jazzy stuff uses major 7 chords, so it looks like this. So we're gonna use this chord, this, this, and this. Okay, there you have it. That's the chords. It's that. We got the chords covered. We need to have rhythmical instruments. So to make rhythmic sound, or like the drums and the bass, you need to find like a bass or a drum, but those are like kind of expensive, so we're gonna use simple stuff. So you can make your own drum sounds using books like this. So grab a book and you use your hand like this, and you just it sounds like, see, it sounds like a bass drum. And to make the snare, use the book again, but then you open your hands like this, and then you just hi-hat is really simple. So you grab this is an hourglass. It can make some like sound, and just like the bass is very important for the song, because the bass, like, this is the song, and then the bass just goes like, you know, to make the bass sounds of the songs, you need a bass, of course. So I have a bass, so we're gonna use this bass. We use the chords of the song, and then we just play the bass note of the song. So it sounds like this. To make melody, you need some kind of like instrument with melodic stuff, you know, like piano, guitar. So I learned that according to my music teacher, you need to use the notes. For example, I have this bass, so it's like, to make the melody of the song, you need to feel the groove of the song, and then you just go with the melody and stuff. You have like a major chord like this. Now your melody should sound like happy and stuff. Now when you have a chord like this, you should make your melody sound sad. To make melody sound great, according to the book, it says you can use repetitive stuff or augmented stuff and other stuff like that, but we're gonna use the simple ones. So the simple ones are basically the repetitive stuff, you know. So you have a melody like this, and then you just repeat it. Other than that, you can use sequence stuff, which is basically you have one note which is high, and then you make the other note go low or go high, you know. I don't know how to explain this. You can try it yourself. This is just a fun little video of mine that I've wanted to make for so long. Another way to make melody is by using pentatonic scale, I think. So it's basically a scale where you don't use the 4th and the 7th note. So it's really cool. It sounds like this. You know, you have the instruments. Now you need to mix them together. So to mix them together, you need a software. So I'm using Audacity here. It's very, very good to mix sounds together, you know. Okay, now you have all the instruments. Now you mix it with a software. Now what I use is Audacity. So we have the bass here, the drums right here, and the piano right here. And then once you play them all together, it will probably sound like this. Your song sound bad and you're like, I can't do this stuff, you know, like you can't make music, and then you're probably gonna give up. Then it's okay, just give up. Then you're gonna come back and you're like, I should do it again, and then you'll probably make something like this. So as you can see here, I have modified the drum, so now the drum sounds like this. Now you have played your instruments. Now you put them all together, right, like this, you know, and it should sound like something like this. So what did we learn from today? We learned how to make songs and how cringy this video is. So to make songs, I just explained. So if you don't know, then you're probably dumb. The song that I'm making right now is the chill song, and then it can make other kind of song. It's basically the genre of the song, and there are there's many genres, like there's rock, funk, lo-fi, and then jazz, metal, I don't know, and some other stuff. Probably like, you make the song, why don't you show us the song? Like, we came here for the song, you know? You're probably like that, I know you guys. So, if you're not, then, here's the song.
sandwich. A sandwich? You're gonna waste your one wish on a sandwich? You don't want anything else?
Nah, a sandwich is good. Maybe about this big. Or this big. I don't know. Whatever you got around, your choice.
Dude, I'll just make you a sandwich.
It's me, the Google Translate lady again from the Brawlhalla music video. Jeremy left me a note because he went out. He said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And by the way, if you guys don't know, all of the background music from this video is made by Jeremy. Okay, that's all. Oh, the video is still going. Well, if you want to leave then it's okay. If you don't, well, it's your choice.